My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Ljuy, and this is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware encrypts files and appends this extension called Ljuy. Because of the ransomware attack, it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Then the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But of course, you should not pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. Anyway, my video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. So you can see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open the data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And so very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this Ljuy extension. But once again, hear me clearly, do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Cleaner Antivirus. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then once it has been successfully installed, start researching the computer. Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential, so do not skip this very important step. And then, once the antivirus database is successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. Also, pay attention to the feature of Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So, take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and to remove the malware, we recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Cleaner. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.